Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of TechTube. In this video, let's learn how to log in to your Comcast account. Comcast, also known as Xfinity, is the parent company of Xfinity, and Xfinity is a company that provides services such as TV, internet, and home phone services. So to log into your Comcast or Xfinity account, open up your web browsers and search for xfinity.com. Once you do, it's going to take you to the official website of Xfinity. Now to log into it, you can just click on the human icon that you see on the top right. Once you do, this menu or this sidebar will open up. Click on the sign in button. And now it's going to show you a section where you can now type in your email address, mobile number, or the username that you used or created while signing up for Xfinity. So you can choose one option out of these three, type it in and click on let's go. But in case you don't remember any of those, you can click on find your Xfinity ID, follow the steps to recover it. In the next section, it's going to ask you to type in the password. So type in the password that you've added in while creating your account. And if you don't remember your password either, you can click on the forgot password link. And through this section, you can reset your password by clicking on continue, and it's going to send you a password reset link on your registered email address. Now, once you type in the password also, you can click on sign in, and if the details entered were correct, you'll be successfully logged into your Comcast or your Xfinity account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.